Purani Jakar Madam, CEO of Ratnagiri. We welcome respected CEO ma'am from the bottom of the heart. On the occasion or visit our village, and this is very happiest moment for us. Now we interact with our CEO ma'am. This is very happiest moment for us. We interact with our Supreme Officer, Dr. Indupati Jakar ma'am.
Thank you so much for the welcome. I am immensely honored, more so because you two are present here for my welcome. And secondly, that our teachers have worked upon you and helped you so much that being in 7th standard, you have the courage to sit with me and interact with me. Frankly speaking, had I been your age, it would have been very, very difficult for me to do the same. So I applaud you, your teachers, and all the people who guided you till now. Tell me something about your school, your thoughts. Okay.
Because of ma'am is all India ranker 30th all India ranker ma'am in IAS exam. पूरे अपने हिंदुस्तान में जो 30वें नंबर पर है मैम, और हमारी ये किस्मत अच्छी किस्मत है कि मैम यहाँ पर एज ए CEO, और उन्होंने वहाँ पर जो काम किया हुआ है इससे पहले चंद्रपुर में हुआ, शराबबंदी के बारे में हो गया, बहुत ही अच्छा काम मैडम ने किया था। और ये कोरोना सिचुएशन में जिस तरह मैडम ने ये पूरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को टैकल किया, तो एक अपने आप में बहुत अच्छी मिसाल है। उस बारे में ही मैं कुछ आपसे बात करूँ।
Myself Ansha and myself Aisha. We are students of Z2 class of Mr. Mandel. And where would you like to ask a question?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, please tell about your personal life and your personal.
My name is Indu Jakar. I belong to district Jhajjar of Haryana, basically. I moved to Delhi when I was 7 years of age. My entire education was in Delhi. I did my MBBS from Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. After that, I gave UPSC exam, and in my second attempt, I got into IAS and was allotted Maharashtra Garden. Since 2016, I am working here. I worked in Nagpur, then Gadchiroli, and this is my second full-fledged posting as CEO.
Ma'am, what is the highest qualification?
I am MBBS. MBBS म्हणजे डॉक्टर. मालूम है डॉक्टर ना, जो इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं बच्चों को ऐसे ही याद रखते हैं ना डॉक्टर.
Ma'am, really big challenges come in front of you as like COVID-19. So how do you overcome all the problems?
When I joined over here, so COVID was almost peaking in our district. What we did was, more or less, as CEO Zilla Parishad, I have to do 90% of my routine work, which is implementation of the guidelines that have come from the government. 10% is the work that I have to do, which is something that I'll have to think through after considering all the problems that are coming in front of us region-wise. For example, in some of our areas, people were not cooperating with us regarding that our health workers are going to them and trying to screen them or trying to bring them into hospital. There were some misinformation was being spread. Some confusions were there regarding diagnosis and treatment of corona. So I think that was the most challenging task for us. It is a very good thing that with the help of people like you, and I would like to specially mention our health workers, ASHA workers, our ANMs who have worked on the field, and our Urdu teachers as well, because they have immensely helped us in overcoming that challenge. So right now, after that, the entire society came together, and as we all know, we can only fight against something big when the entire society comes together. You may be knowing it better than me. Our freedom struggle, why we could achieve freedom, because we all came together. So similar thing was there in Corona. It was as big a challenge like it was British Raj. We all came together. That's why I think right now our position have come to a stage where we can say to quite an extent we have defeated Corona, and it's all because of all of you.
And what do you think about development or progress in our Ratnagiri region?
Ratnagiri is already a very progressive and developed area. So, for example, if we talk about education, I am coming from district Gadchur, like I was working there. I worked immensely on education over there, immensely. Like my entire focus was कि बच्चे पढ़ ले किसी तरह तो कि मैं जाके चेक कर रही हूँ रात को कि पढ़ रहे हैं कि नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, मतलब I work till that level वहाँ. But over here I see the basic things are there. The children are already into studies. But one thing that I came across was that children are settling for something low than their potential. So अपना primary and secondary education is very good, but in higher education somewhere we are lagging. We don't have students who are doing professional courses. Do you know what are professional courses?
Yes, like a doctor, engineer,
Right.
CEO.
Exactly. That's very good if you know that. With professional degrees में जैसे आता है engineering आता है, technical professional degrees हैं, और MBBS आता है. Similar से to some extent we can say कि CA, ऐसे जो white collar jobs जिनको बोलते हैं. We have a lot of potential in our children. We top the exam almost every year, na boards we top. And in that also girls outperform boys all the time, right? But somewhere we are lacking in the higher education, and not many people from Ratnagiri are going into professional courses. That's why we have deficiency of doctors and good engineers. It is what I feel, these two factors, these two pillars are very very important if we really want that a place should develop. Otherwise what I am being told is here most of the children after their basic education they will shift out or migrate out to Pune or Mumbai. So that is very sad. We will try to work upon that, bring the developing factors over here so that our development goes well.
And what is the plan to uplift our primary education in Ratnagiri district?
Primary education, like the major thing that we came across, that was this year only, was for example in a situation like COVID, we did not have any interface with the children. So somewhere we thought it is important that one, we move to activity based learning, and we move to an era where we will have digital component in teaching all the time.
Because digital component or interactive, हाँ interactive education means yes निशा interactive education. वो अपना बोर्ड था उसके ऊपर आप भी कुछ करते थे एक्टिविटी और टीचर भी थे, उसी को एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट होते हैं.
बेसिकली एक अपना फिजिकल टीचिंग है जो अपना क्लासरूम टीचिंग है, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. मतलब आई एम अ वेरी कन्वेंशनल पर्सन. आई बिलीव दैट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग बिकॉज वी लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. बट स्टिल वी नीड टू हैव सम डिजिटल component included in our curriculum so that if a similar situation arises in future then it will be very very beneficial for us.
Ma'am, do you think semi-English medium the way to uplift our Zaki school?
Exactly. In fact, in tribal department also, where I was working as project officer, I had vouched for semi-English in front of my secretary like anything. There were many people who were opposing it. But what I actually saw, like when I went to meet children who were studying in 11th and 12th class, their major problem was they were not able to cope up कि अचानक से ना after 10th standard they are given a science in English. Till then they have been studying in Hindi. So that is a very very major transition. और वो भी in classes like 11th and 12th when the syllabus is huge. So mentally they were not able to cope up. My suggestion is right. Primary education we can keep in vernacular language. We can do all sorts of indigenous things. But semi-English should be introduced because that's very very important while building the base of the children. So there we can do is science, maths. This should be in English from that standard. You may be feeling, for example, if you go for any competitive exam, it is in English right now. All our higher education, for example, if you're doing MBBS, there are the material that is available globally, that is only in English. However, we may try, but we will not be able to do the translation of the entire thing. So that is one thing somewhere we need to excel. If we want to excel, अभी मेरा भी ऐसा है ना कि मेरा मूल लैंग्वेज हिंदी है, मेरे हस्बैंड पंजाबी है, तो मैं पंजाबी भी सीखूँ, है ना, मराठी भी सीखूँ. तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि अपन अगर इंग्लिश के पीछे जा रहे हैं तो हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. अपन जितनी ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस सीखते हैं वो अपने को बेनिफिशियल रहता है. बट क्या इंग्लिश में मटेरियल, मैक्सिमम मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल इन इंग्लिश. सो यू नीड टू हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश. So that introduction of English is important in media.
चार फैमिली एक एलिजिबल और इसका ये आपको वजह से
कॉन्फिडेंस में बहुत फर्क है. बिल्कुल.
She is sharing about 7 years.
और मुझे एक और भी चीज़ बोलना है. आपने बहुत लोगों के ना दिमाग में मिसकंसेप्शन आ जाता है कि अगर हम इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ लिए तो हम और किसी लैंग्वेज में एक्सेल नहीं कर सकते. अभी मैंने 3rd क्लास तक मेरा भी हिंदी मीडियम में एजुकेशन, मतलब मैं शिफ्टेड टू इंग्लिश में. मैं अपना एंटायर लाइफ इंग्लिश में पढ़ी थी. लेकिन अभी जब मराठी सीखना चाहता हूँ, अभी आई डोंट फील आई हैव एनी प्रॉब्लेम इन मराठी. मतलब मराठी बोलताना किंवा वाचताना मला काहीच अडचण येते. आणि मी हे 2016 मध्ये महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आल्यानंतर शिकलं. तसं काहीच नाही. जर आपण प्रयत्न केला तर काहीच शक्य होतं.
Good morning everyone. Today is very special day for us. Every day is special for everyone. But now today is very important and valuable day for us. Because I share our 7th year's journey in this school. We have seen different types of variation. It means good changes for education, and now finally we can say our school is the modern school for other years. Our teacher provides us continuous comprehensive activity-based education. Respected by all members, when we got admission in this school, our parent has various questions in their mind. They were worried about our future. Maximum parents decide to admit English medium school because they were impressed by this medium. But at that time, our cluster head, Mr. Tajuddin Parkar sir, arranged a parents meeting and discussed with them and promised to all parents for excellence education. I remember Parkar sir gives 20,000 rupees for desk bench at that time and other education objects. In 7th year's journey, I took different ways. Teacher provides e-learning, baggy syllabus, and participation in different types of exam. We participated in BTS exam in standard 3rd, and we got 100% result in this exam. Our parents and all villagers were happy for our achievement, and now in 2nd year also we got 100% result in this exam. Respected all members, as you know that MPSC exam of primary level, it means scholarship exam. We got remarkable achievement in this exam. We were 12 students got married in this exam. Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad and other welfare society were felicitated, and I think this is the real result for our teachers' work. So respected, there are more about our school, but due to less time, I stop and say our school is